In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to California Institute of Technology. To get started, go to Caltech's undergraduate admissions apply page. This is the main place where you can review the application process and confirm the current requirements before you submit anything. Caltech accepts either the Common App or the QuestBridge application. So the first thing you'll want to do is choose the application platform that applies to you and begin filling it out carefully. As you work through the application, make sure you're prepared to submit the required application fee, which is $75 unless you qualify for a fee waiver. You'll also need to send in your official high school transcripts. It's a good idea to request those early so you don't run into delays close to the deadline. Caltech also requires official SAT or ACT scores. There's no stated minimum score requirement, and the school does not prefer one test over the other, so you can submit whichever exam better reflects your strengths. Just make sure your scores are sent officially and on time. Another important part of the application is your letters of recommendation. Caltech specifically asks for 2 teacher recommendations. One should come from a math or science teacher, and the other should come from a humanities or social science teacher. This helps the admissions team see both your technical and broader academic abilities. So choose teachers who know your work well and can speak thoughtfully about your strengths. You'll also need to complete Caltech's required short answer questions. These responses are especially important because they help showcase your intellectual curiosity, resilience, and genuine interest in STEM. Take your time here, answer clearly, and make sure your responses sound authentic and personal. When it comes to deadlines, pay close attention to which admission plan you're using. Restrictive Early Action is due on November 1st, while regular decision is due on January 5th. Try not to wait until the last minute. Giving yourself extra time makes it easier to review everything and catch mistakes before submitting. Finally, there are some optional materials you may want to include if they strengthen your application. If you have meaningful research experience from high school, submitting a research paper or portfolio can be a strong addition, since Caltech places significant value on undergraduate research. You may also upload academic awards along with verification through Caltech's applicant portal. If you have relevant achievements, this is a good way to provide extra evidence of your academic strengths. That's the process for applying to Caltech. If you stay organized, start early, and submit each required item carefully, you'll give yourself the best chance to complete a strong application.